Hello, and welcome to what might be the final episode of Nothing's in the Fridge. Now, I know what you're all thinking. You've made a lot of things here, but tonight's the best night of all. Tonight, we're making dessert. The best way to start dessert is with a giant bowl. You want to set that bowl in the middle of the workspace here. Now, this is going to be the workspace for all the dessert. This is where the magic is going to be created and eventually turn into some sort of delectable treat. So let's begin. We're gonna put a cutting board down. I'm gonna take the ice cream. Now we're gonna try to cut through this thing all the way down. Get a sharper knife. Only do this at home. You know, something like that. It'll cut in half. Now we're going to use a spoon to scoop these out into the bowl. Now we're going to insert one of these drumsticks. Like that. Okay, and we're going to lean the ice cream into it. So it's like a little bit of a castle or something. Okay, now for the tasty cakes. So I'm going to put those one on this side, one on this side. Okay. Now we're going to take some Jell-O. We're going to make a little moat around this castle. So these are the tasty cakes or the drawbridge or something, I don't know. And you just kind of put some Jell-O there and you work it around the... Oh, this isn't Jell-O, by the way, this is pudding. Now, what good's a moat if it doesn't have crocodiles in it? Water. A bunch of little... That looks good. Let's add some more chocolate. So, this thing still has a seal on it. Whoa, that's pretty thick. Ugh. And there you go. Beautiful castle of dessert. I think that's probably in the millions of calories. And now I gotta find somebody to help me eat this.
Well, that ice cream part's pretty good. I don't know about the pudding part.
I didn't make that part.
I know, that's the part that's actually good. And it's cold.
What's ice cream?
Just had feelings built last week.
I want lukewarm ice cream.